If you could let our audience know how that feels.
That pressure is very relaxing, and it's going over the band of muscles that are very tight in that region, so it feels great.
We give an acrylic massager to each new patient in our center because they like the way it feels. And when they have tight muscles, this feels heavenly. We show them how to use these. They can work the muscles around the joints themselves and get relief at home.
Yeah.
And I'm going to do a leg length analysis. I'm going to compare one side to the other and make sure that you walk out of here stronger and straighter than the way you came in. For example, your left leg is shorter than your right. When I lift it, it stays short. The left leg is short by at least an inch. So we'll line up your lower back, and as you know, your lower back is out of alignment. Put your left hand to the side of your head. I'm going to do some advanced tests to see how you're lining up. Arm back to your side. Ideally, the feet should be even in each test. Put both arms over your head, please. Arms to your sides. Turn your face to the left, please. Good for you. So I see some improvement here. Head in the center. Haley's been coming in regularly. Lift your head up. Relax. Tuck your chin toward your chest. Look over your left shoulder. Look over your right shoulder. Head in the center. Tuck your chin in and hold it in. I'm going to pull on your pelvis. And what I'd like you to do is to lay on your left side and turn and face me, please. I'm going to lift this up for you. And pull on your shoulder. And you might feel a click as we gently realign the vertebrae. And you already told the audience that you're out of alignment here, and it's causing stress further up, that the lower back is crooked. And we're going to go ahead and give you a nice adjustment there, and you might feel a click as we gently realign the vertebrae or backbones. And you can let your leg go forward. Thank you. That's the way. Take a deep breath in and exhale and let that just, there we go. Here we go. Go ahead and lay on your back facing up. So you adjusted beautifully and you felt that release.
Yeah, I did feel it.
Tell the audience how that feels, because they don't know.
Well, I can feel a different shift throughout my whole entire body, so I'm just soaking that in, because I think that I've been needing to be adjusted in that spot probably for a while, so now my body is like, I want to fix it now.
Well, great. Well, it's still repairable, right?
Yeah.
Bring your arms up like this. We'll work on the mid-back region as well. And as you know, you might feel a click there as we gently realign the vertebrae. And go ahead and look over your left shoulder, please. And then look over this shoulder. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Exhale, just let it go all the way. That's the way. Here we go. And take a deep breath in and exhale. Let it go. That's the way. Good for you. Bring your arms to your sides. You've got bones out of place here in your neck. Right here and here in the middle of the neck, and we're going to gently realign those as well. And that's called an adjustment. So if even one vertebra is out of place, it puts pressure on the delicate and sensitive nervous system. And those nerves go everywhere. So it's important to be in proper alignment in order to be and stay healthy. And you could feel you've got some tightness in here, probably from clobbering opponents in kickboxing, right? Kicking them upside the head, right? Here we go. So let's go ahead and align your neck. Look over your Left shoulder, relax this muscle, let your head and neck go all the way.
Oh,
Set you in proper alignment. And look over your right shoulder, let your head and neck go all the way, let this go completely. And you might feel a click, as you know, right there. There we go. And tell our audience how that felt.
wow, I can't even describe what just happened. There were so many cracks in my neck, and I feel better now.
Alrighty, hot stuff. And if you don't mind, go ahead and sit up. And throw your legs this way.
That was all happening inside of me. Like, that was severe. That was crazy.
Alrighty.
Oh,
Take
yeah.
a deep breath. Go ahead and catch your breath.
I definitely feel lighter inside. And I just can't believe I was carrying around all of those misalignments inside of me, like all of those vertebrae in my neck. And I'm surprised I didn't feel worse, but I'm back to normal now. That feels great.
And what have you noticed under chiropractic care?
Well, you're able to just maintain a state of being that is neutral and not in pain longer, and so you feel healthier. And
How are you sleeping?
I sleep better as well. I don't wake up sore or
Okay.
with kinks.
She's a very busy lady. She won't tell you this, but she's running a very different kind of CBD product, and you manufacture your own CBD, right?
Our team, we have our manufacturing in Denver. We have a shop right next door to where we make all of the products, so we're able to keep everything in-house and keep it organic and top of the line products, the best potency of CBD, and we're able to help people that are experiencing a lot of pain from different things happening in their bodies, just like me. And we have salves and creams that can help achy sore muscles, and all kinds of other products that help inflammation and
So how would they get a hold of you if they
circulation.
were interested in a cream or something that they could
yes.
use to help themselves?
We have a website online. It's goodvibescbd.com, and we'll link that into the comments and put the link up. But we also have a storefront here in Denver. We're pretty much just basically half a mile down the street from you, and we are there 7 days a week serving our clients and our customers in the neighborhood and beyond, and we would be happy to answer any of your questions or work with us. So
Can we send those products worldwide?
yeah, we can send them worldwide,
Would
absolutely.
there be a special number that they should call?
Yeah, if you wanted to call 720-535-8284, that's our storefront, and we're there Monday through Sunday, and our website hours are listed online as well. And you can give us a call and talk to us, you can send us an email, and we'll be able to answer any of your questions and help you find products that are great for you.
Buddy? Well,
Yeah.
terrific. We've made some good progress. Your bones were well out of alignment, particularly in the lower back. That's caused stress further up in the spine, as you know, but you adjusted beautifully today.
Thank you so much.
And that should feel good. In fact, I think you're going to sleep like a baby. Share if you care, like, comment, hit the red subscribe.